I'm not really an extreme guy, as you can probably tell, but I like to hang out with some pretty extreme people, and they always seem to have a GoPro around. The company has become one of the most standard names in the action cam biz for rugged, easy-use point-and-shooters. What it hasn't been up until now is the kind of device most TikTok influencers would immediately grab for one of their latest escapades. The company's trying to change that with the $400 Hero 12 Black, making its premier camera a bit more user-friendly and more compatible with existing mounts. Question is whether any of that is worth the upgrade. First, the Hero 12 can shoot in 9x16 vertical, even when it's recording in its usual horizontal fashion. This alone isn't the end-all be-all, but it is a nifty feature for the live bloggers out there who want to shoot 4K video when doing whatever extreme stunt might get them clicks. However, the vertical really is just a small function for this device. There are far larger variety of angles to choose from, including the 16x9 and the 8x7. GoPro has also finally added mounting threads to make it more compatible with your regular tripod, which is a big step up for the proprietary-only focus up until now. For the average person who just wants to share their snowboarding trip on Facebook, the Hero 12 is very similar to last year's iteration. I took the Hero 12 out in all kinds of light, indoors and out, and no matter what, you won't get the kind of image quality you can with a professional setup or even a more expensive phone. The simple, user-friendly controls offer more than enough resolution and aspect ratio options for your average user, but there's nothing so big here to truly make it stand out from the Hero 11, which introduced the 8x7 FOV option. Then there's the new Max Lens Mod 2.0, kind of expanded sensor casing that bumps up the field of view to a max HyperView setting to get the full range of wide open space. There's also a new interval photo mode, which is akin to the existing time-lapse feature, but instead it shoots independent shots set at 0.5-second intervals to try and get that just right moment. I can imagine myself using the Hero 12 for quite a bit of my strange weekly adventures. GoPros are good because they're rugged, and you don't expect to break it with every little tumble. Still, it's good to know what kind of footage you can expect to get from a GoPro before you go out and buy one.